Here I am at the California Historical Civil Engineering landmark of the Tioga Pass Road. Just east of the Tioga Pass at 9,945 feet, outside of Yosemite National Park. Fabulous vistas. Maybe some billy goats or something up there. And there's the road to which we're headed. Looks like there's another vista point across the canyon there. Just for fun, I thought I would videotape the vista point that I filmed earlier from my previous location, which was right over here. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, right there. See, there's that green bridge and the marker that I read to you there. They say the old green bridge, she ain't what she used to be. So, kind of interesting. Mildly interesting. We are coming down Highway 120 into Lee Vining. My heart's pining for Lee Vining. Oh, take me home to the place at the base of the mountain siding. Mono lake. Pretty big lake. I just wonder how big it would be if it was stereo lake. I didn't intend to videotape our little California mountain vacation, but after recording the nice view on the Tioga Pass Road and now seeing this remarkable monument, I thought, why not? Let's videotape a few things, put it up on YouTube. This is called Obsidian Dome, and I'm not sure exactly how it was formed. I think it has something to do with high pressure and
volcanoes. There's substantial volcanic activity in this area. There's some hot springs, geothermal activity, and that's what leads me to believe that this obsidian was created by some kind of volcanic activity. That and my very limited knowledge of geology seems to ring a bell in that regard. But these are just some really amazing pieces. I've seen obsidian before in little arrowheads, like Indians made arrowheads out of it, just little pieces, but these are huge pieces. And to give you an idea, here's my car keys there, and this one block of obsidian is just huge. It's like 6 feet long by 3 feet tall, and it's really remarkable, the little veins, different layers of earth and rock. Just imagine the pressure that had to be exerted on this and the heat when it was created. Like if you were here when this was all formed, what would that be like? That'd be amazing. Just fire, blast. Amazing. So it's really a neat spot. On this one side we have this really rugged, rocky terrain. And then you step right over here and it's forest and a Toyota. So that's really remarkable. I think what I'll do now is scale this mountainside a little bit and see what the vistas look like from up top. The wife and child will stand by and we'll see what it looks like from above. So here I'm starting my ascent. I need a helmet cam. Give me a free hand. See, these are just amazing pieces of rock. Amazing. But anyway, start walking. Here's the parking lot down there. I should have brought hiking boots. I didn't anticipate hiking really on this trip. Well, I thought it was a possibility, but I don't have any hiking boots, so I didn't bring any. But I do have these nice pony sneakers with blue patent leather. I got them for $10 clearance. Big 5 sporting goods. So we're making our way to the top. There is below. Yeah, $10 for those shoes. Great deal. Catch my breath here for a minute. like there's not as much obsidian, but some of this brown rock. Heck, that might be brown obsidian, I don't know. Hard to think or talk at 9,000 feet, but we're almost to the top here. I can see these mountains, more mountains. Over here, I think this is Mono Lake, same one I was talking about earlier. Boy, the wind's coming up. Woo! Scary. So, gone a little bit farther here, and really great view here. There's the lake, and this pile of rocks really extends out pretty far. Snow-capped mountain peaks. It's time to go back down, step by step, down the mountain. It's really hard to make a trail here. I think I'll just start stepping. This is probably more interesting for me than it is for you. Wow, that's a nice rock. They're all nice rocks. Formed millions of years ago by heat and pressure. Here's another one with all those ridges. That's just amazing to me. Like when this one was formed right here, what was going on at that point in time? Amazing. Boggles the mind. Boggles the mind. So down we climb. Just in case you were worried, I made it safely down. This is a great end to a great day. Moon coming up over the mountains. Focus, camera. There we go. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.